All right, welcome back. Okay, now it's your turn to read the story.
It's a Sunday. The sun is in the sky, and there are some birds flying. There is a cafe on the left, and a man is sitting at the table and drinking. A white cat is chasing
Chasing.
a small chasing a small gray mouse on the path. Behind the cat and brown dog is just chasing the cat. On the right, a woman is pushing a baby in the stroller. The baby is sleeping. A man and a woman are walking hand in hand. They are happy. There is a blue car on the road. Behind the tree, there is a bicycle.
Okay, thank you very much for reading. Now let's answer the following questions related to this picture. Okay, one. What is the man sitting on the chair doing? So this man, what is he doing? He is what?
He is drinking.
All right, so he is drinking. Let's write it so that you can practice reading this. Okay, what are the birds doing? How about the birds? What they are doing? They are
The bird is. They are.
what? They are the three
They
birds.
are. The three bird is fly a sky.
Okay. All right. So they are
Flying.
again, wait for
They
a
are
while. They are
three bird.
flying. Okay, so they are flying. Next, proceed. Let's go to. Okay, wait for a while. All right, next. Where is the white cat? The white cat. Where is the white cat? Again, where is the white cat?
Um. A, a cat is. Cat is running.
Okay, again, where is the white cat? The white cat. This one, the white cat. Where is the white cat? The meow meow. Where is it? Meow.
The white cat is running and
It next to the gray.
next to the
Oh, this is
uh,
mouse. A
next to the
mouse.
mouse and a dog.
Okay, it between the mouse and the dog. Okay, next. Is the mouse in front of the dog? Yes or no? Is the mouse in front of the
Um.
dog or not?
No.
All right, it's a no.
Yeah.
Okay. Next. How many chairs are there? How many
Um.
chairs?
There are three chairs.
Okay, very good. There are three chairs. Next. What are the man and the woman doing? What are the man and the
Mm,
woman doing?
mm, the man and the woman is hand in hand
Yes, again.
and happy.
Okay, so what is under the tree? What is under the tree?
Um, the tree um under the tree is bicycle.
Okay, it's all right. It's a bicycle. Okay, now. All right, this one. Let's proceed here. So I want you to read this story. And now we are going to read the story about it's a sunny day in the park. Okay, you may.
It's a sunny day in the park. A boy is flying his kite, but it gets just in a tree. Nearby, a girl in a pink t-shirt and green skirt is running over to see the kite. Another boy wearing gray shorts is standing next to a blue bike. He is pointing a, at the kite in the tree. On the tennis court, a girl and a boy are playing tennis together. They are trying to hit the ball. Near tree, a girl in a yellow
T-shirt.
yellow t-shirt and blue trousers.
Trousers.
Blue
Again.
t-shirt,
Trousers.
trousers. Next to the car, a boy in a green t-shirt is holding some bread on
To.
feed
To
the
feed
birds.
the birds. With S. The birds. Next. The last part.
The park is beautiful and everyone is enjoying the sunny day.
Okay, very good. Thank you very much for reading this story. Okay, now let's answer the following questions. Oh, you are sleepy. Do not sleep. Okay, I have another song so that you will not be sleepy. Running, 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 jump, 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 jump. Walking, 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 walking. Learn with us. Learn with us. Okay. Do you want more?
Okay.
Yes? Are you
Yes.
sleepy or not? You're not sleepy?
Yes.
Okay, that's good.
Yes.
All right, let's continue. Now, where is the kite? Where is the kite?
The cat is the cat is um cat is in the tree.
Okay, so the kite is on the sky, right? Then what are the girl and the boy doing? What are the girl and the boy doing?
the girl and a boy. Uh, the girl and a boy is. The girl and a boy all play tennis.
Okay, what other girl the boy
Um,
doing? They are doing tennis or lawn tennis. Okay, what is the boy pointing at? The boy. This boy. What is the boy pointing at?
the boy is. The boy is.
Okay,
Oh,
next, what
the boy
is the
is.
okay, next. Yes, do you have any questions?
Um.
Do you have something to say?
Uh, the boy is hunting a bird.
All right, the boy is pointing the kite, and the boy here also is pointing the chicken. Okay, next. How many trees can you see? How many trees can you see? There are how
There are
many? All
two
right,
trees.
so there are two trees that you can see in this area. All right, next. Where is the woman? Where is the woman? On the
The woman is under. The woman is under the tree.
Okay, so the woman is under the tree while
Tree.
using her
Um,
computer. Okay, next. Oh, I'm sorry. All right, next. How many? Okay, where? All right, this one. What is the girl with a pink t-shirt doing? Pink t-shirt here. What's she doing?
um, she is running.
All right, so she is running. Again, what's the girl doing? She is.
Running.
Okay, very good. So she is running. Okay, next. All right, this one. How many boys are there? So how many boys are there?
Um, uh, they are
How many boys are there?
they are
All right, next. Are there three girls in the picture? If there is a boy, of course, there is a girl. So what are they doing? What are they doing? The three girls?
they the no two little four boy.
Okay, again, so there are three. Okay, wait for a while, I forgot. Three. All right, so are there three girls in the picture? Of course, yes, they are three only. Okay, next. You are already done reading this one, right? Okay, now starter speaking writing practice 12. Okay, where? Oh no. Let's read it first, the story, of course. Okay, I will read it first and then you will follow, okay?
It's a bird. Sunny day in a park. A boy wearing a red t-shirt and a blue shorts is flying a kite. By the pond, a girl in a purple shirt is building the docks while holding a pink handbag. And a boy in a blue shirt and trousers is riding a red bicycle along the path. Nearby, a girl in glasses and brown hair is sitting on a bench reading a book. On a pad, a boy is curly brown hair is curling down, holding a white cat. An orange cat is playing in front of him. Behind a big tree, a rabbit and a girl are hiding above them. A boy wearing red shoes and a yellow t-shirt is sitting on a tree branch. The park is full of green grass, t- tall trees, and happy children.
Okay, thank you very much for reading this story. So now it's all about the park. Okay, so did you already visit a park? Did you? Did you already
Um,
visit a park? A park.
the park. Um,
Did you visit already a park or a playground? Do you have? Or did you visit?
yes,
Oh wow, that's good. So this story is all about the park. Then a boy wearing a red t-shirt and blue shorts is flying a kite. By the pond, a girl in a purple shirt, this one, is feeding the ducks while holding a pink handbag. Then a boy in a blue shirt and trousers. Again, can you say it? Trousers. Say it again. Trousers.
treasure,
Trousers.
treasure,
Sirs.
treasure,
Tro- okay.
cheers,
All right. And then by the pond, a girl. Okay, here. A boy in a blue shirt and trousers is riding a red bicycle along the path. Nearby, a girl with glasses and brown hair is sitting on a beach, reading a book. On the path, a boy with curly brown hair is kneeling down, holding a white cat. An orange cat is playing in front of him. Behind a big tree, a rabbit and a girl are hiding. Above them, a boy wearing red shoes and a yellow t-shirt sitting on tree branch. The park is full of green grass, tall trees, and happy children enjoying the sunny day outside. Okay, now I have here a questions. Where are the children now? Where are they? They
in
are
the
in the, I told you
they are
earlier.
in the park.
All right, in the,
Park.
okay, they are in a picnic. Like what I said, they are enjoying in the
picnic.
playground. In the playground. Okay, next. The question is, where are the ducks? Okay, where are the ducks?
The dog is swimming
Swimming on the
and
is on the
uh,
river. It's a river or
river.
a pool. Then where is the boy in the yellow t-shirt? Where is the boy in the yellow t-shirt? This one. Where is he?
He he is sitting on the tree and under tree.
Okay, very good. Now, where is the girl who is reading a book? Where is the girl reading a book? She is on the.
The girl, she is on the chair.
Okay, very good. So she is on the chair while reading her book. Okay, so for now, I will give you 5 claps. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Congratulations. Okay, next. We are not yet done. Is the ball in front of the tree? Yes or no? Is the
Um,
ball in front of the tree? It's
yes.
okay, it's a yes. Very good. Next. All right, last number. Have ducks got long or short tails? Again, have ducks got long or short tails?
Uh, mm, um,
Okay, again, have ducks got too long or short tails? Of
uh,
course, they have what?
uh, the shot.
Okay, so um, as stated here, they wear red shoes and a yellow t-shirt and sitting on a tree branch. Okay, so here, wow. All right, so do you want to listen more? Okay, now start your speaking and writing practice 13. So, what do you see in this picture? Or what can you see in this picture?
Um, I can see
What
three
animals can you
goat,
see? What animals can you see?
three goat, three
Okay, and
goat,
three
three
goat.
lion,
It's a goat. Goat. Can you see it again? Goat.
goat,
Okay, very good. Next.
goat, one elephant, one tiger, two cows, one horse, uh, three monkey, one no, two birds, one snake, one chicken, one dog, um, one crocodile, two ducks, um, is
Okay, thank you very much for mentioning all of these animals that you can see in the zoo. Okay, now what color is the elephant? What color?
mm,
Its color.
Its color is
The color of this one. The color of this elephant.
gray.
Okay, very good. It's gray. And then look at the girl by the spider. How does she feel? She feel the
She is
she is
um she is
okay now. Look at the girl by the spider. How does she feel? This one. So spider? Where Florida? Where is the spider?
yes. No.
Ah, okay,
Is
this one. So this one, the girl is hungry and shocked because the spider has already what is this? We don't have okay, the girl is hungry and shocked because um it shown up the spider. Okay, the spider. Okay, now look at the boy with the red t-shirt. Is he happy or sad? Red t-shirt. Here, this one red and also this red. They are happy or they are sad? When they are um when they are visited in the zoo. They are happy, do you think? Or not? They are happy or not? What do you think?
happy.
Okay, very good. They are very happy because they see an animal. Okay, next. Is the elephant big or small? Isn't big or small?
Uh, big.
Okay, very good. It's a big. Okay, next. What is the girl with the pink shirt doing? Pink, pink, pink shirt. Okay, this one. I think this is pink or a violet. Okay, again.
She is
Okay, do you have an answer?
she is uh,
Okay,
um
next. Next question. How many snakes are there? How many snakes? How many
the snake
snakes?
um the snake um is three snakes.
Okay, that's it. All right. So again, all right. So we are already done. Okay, the starter speaking, writing, practice. Okay. All right. So now, since it's already time, thank you very much for having a class with you, and I hope that you learned something from our discussion. Okay, all right. And then for now, thank you very much. Bye bye. Good night.
Good
See you
night,
next
teacher.
meeting.
Good
See you next
night.
meeting. Bye.
Okay. Goodbye.
Goodbye.